Namaste everyone. Today we are learning Sarvangasana, and this is going to be a practice for all the beginners. We are including few preparatory asanas. So let's start with lying down position. Take a deep inhalation. Keep your ankle flexed. As we inhale, we are lifting right leg up with a straight knee. Exhale and down. Inhale, left leg. Exhaling down. And continue doing that, switching the legs. Remember, inhale, lifting with a straight knee. And exhaling, reaching down. We want to do this for 7 to 8 times. With both the legs. Try and move that toe close to your face as much as you can so that we work on entire back of the legs, on the core and on the thighs equally. This will also help you prepare your lower back to lift up the body in the final position. Let's continue. Few more rounds. Now we take a deep inhalation here and prepare to lift both the legs up together along with the hips. We are lifting the legs with exhalation. Inhale and drop the legs down. Exhale, lifting. Inhale, down. Check the knee. We want to try and keep it straight. Exhale and lift the hips also. We are doing this 7 to 9 times. Focus on the breath, and also we want to focus on keeping thighs and kneecaps active. Next time we inhale, we are bending knees for Sarvangasana. Inhale and lift the hips up. Exhale and slowly release. Focusing on the breath and really work on lifting those hips as high as you can. Keeping the feet firm. You will also have to check your thighs are rolled in, not rolled out. This is an excellent posture to strengthen your lower back. Let's stay here, interlocking the fingers and really shifting the weight on the shoulder, elbow straight, and again keeping the feet firm. We start to breathe through chest. Try and have your navel engaged here and see if you can take Kegel. So basically we are squeezing the buttocks here. Holding the posture for 5 to 7 breaths. Next posture is variation of Sarvangasana. So we'll lift the hips up, adjust your hands on the lower back like this, elbow and shoulder in line. Inhale and slowly lift that right leg up to ceiling. You want to keep the knee straight, thigh active, and the ankle is flexed. Breathing through chest. for next 5 breaths. Next time we exhale, we want to release and switch the side. Continue lifting hips up as high as you can with a straight knee. This is going to be excellent position to mentally prepare yourself to get into the actual posture. Right, next posture, we are sitting down and start to roll yourself back and forward. So we are inhaling, going back, exhale and come forward. This is a very good preparation for people who find difficult to lift the hips off the floor. So you can do this for few rounds, lift the hip up, support the back with your hands. We are staying close to wall here. Very slowly like this, start to lift your legs up as high as you can. Very slowly we are moving right leg away from the wall. Check your hands are active, elbow and shoulder in line. Staying here for a few breaths. Slowly switching the leg. Again, try and have toes, your thigh, knee active. We do this for a few weeks, and once you start finding this easy, you can slowly move both the legs away from the wall. Keep checking your elbows are not moving out in this posture, which usually is a common mistake. If your elbows are too far away from each other, holding posture will be difficult. Let's bend the knees here. Bring your knee on the forehead and very slowly we release legs on the floor. We are moving on to the second technique again with the wall. So stay close to wall like this. Walk your hands to side wall, move hips closer and check the hips are close to wall. Bend the knees, press the hands down and lift your hips off the floor. Slowly we walk legs slightly more upwards, supporting lower back. Check again, elbows and shoulders are in line. Spine straight. And once we find the balance here, we want to lift one leg away from the wall. Try and have that leg in line with the spine, toes pointing upward. Switching the legs. Checking hands are firm. Keep pressing elbows on the floor. Hands to lower back. Once you find this easy, slowly we want to move both the legs away from the wall. Checking chest is close to chin. No stress on the neck. And after a few seconds, we want to move feet on the wall again. Very slowly release the back, hips and bring knees on the chest. A regular practice with the wall will help you build up the confidence easily. I hope you find this helpful and I'll see you in the next video.